Cheers. And that makes a good cup.
So I'm in love with this Outin Mino portable espresso maker. Comes with this little carrying case. Now, as you can see, it's very small. It's about the size of a small coffee mug or something like that, or a water bottle. And I also picked up their little portable coffee stand, and it fits beautifully. And I also picked up their little espresso cup that's on a little lanyard. So it's really good for camping trips or anything like that. I have a jar of espresso beans. I have my little flat water bottle. And I have a little portable grinder here. And what's really cool about this is not only do you have that little container that I showed earlier in the video that holds ground coffee, but it also comes with this little attachment that has little blades on the inside. So if you didn't feel like lugging around coffee beans and you wanted to bring those little espresso pods like a Keurig or Nescafe or something like that that would fit in here, you could use that, and it's an even more portable way to get espresso on the go. I prefer fresh ground, but if you don't have room for it, then you can always use the little pods with this attachment here. It also comes with this little foldable measuring spoon that allows you to measure the perfect amount of beans to fit in here, as well as this little tool for popping open all the little containers. So overall, a really nice setup. So if I want to show you how this works, I can take my little portable grinder, take the lid off, I can take my beans, measure out as much will fit in this little cup. Gives you the perfect measurement for it. Then I can just dump this in my little grinder. Pop the lid back on. Make sure those beans are down inside. Pop the lid back on. Pop the handle on. Get to grinding. All ground up. Once it stops making that grinding noise, so then I can take off the little container, take the little Mino container, pop the lid off. And as you can see, it's just a little metal container. I can fill it with the beans. Make sure it's tamped down nicely. Pop this lid back on. Pop this right back on the bottom here. The thing that's cool is if you don't have an espresso cup, you can just use this as an espresso cup. So normally when it's closed, it's twisted on there tightly, but it also has a little holder so that if you just put it and rest it on the cup, it gives it a little bit of a gap so that I can still brew and fill this little cup up. So I think that's really a cool design. Keeps it very compact when it's screwed down, but then when you want to use the cup, you can just kind of balance it like that and it works perfectly. But I do have a cup, so I'm going to use that. So it fits perfectly into this little stand here. And you just position the cup right under the brew area. And then if you pop this top off, there's another little metal cup there, and that's where you fill the water up, and it has water lines. So I'll take my flat water bottle, have some cold water in here. And then there's little fill lines on here. So you just fill it up to the line. Then you can pop this lid back on. And on the back of it is a little silicone port that's covering the USB-C recharging portion. And on the other side, you have the little power button. And then there's a little sticker on here that tells you like all the different functions of the power button. So I just left it on there. It says if you hold it down for 2 seconds, that it'll beep like that, it'll turn on. And once it's on, this orange light will come on and you just have to wait for it to brew. Here it goes, it started brewing. Now it's all finished brewing. Makes a really nice little espresso shot here. Really full flavored, really nice. Has a nice airiness to it. You know, it has a little bit of that foam. But yeah, for something so small and portable, it makes a really nice little espresso shot. And I love this cute little cup you can get and how it's on a lanyard. I think it's perfect for like a camping trip or if you're on a kayak or a boat or something. So who would this thing be for? I think it's great if you're someone who's a personal item only traveler or a carry-on traveler and you want to make some espresso while you're traveling. This would be great as opposed to those crappy hotel coffee makers. It's also really great if you work in an office and you really hate the coffee machine, they have a Keurig or something, and you want to make your own nicer stuff. You could easily bring this little kit with you to work every day. It would fit easily into an EDC bag. And the thing that I really like is that because it's waterproof, you can bring it on like water related trips. So if you're going on a kayaking trip and you want to stop at an island and make some espresso, or you're going on a boat trip and you want to make some on the boat, you have that option too. So I think it really opens the door to being able to make a nice espresso anywhere you go without having to set up a whole heating system and mocha pot and all that stuff. It keeps it all simple and all in one. They also sell little portable grinders, so if you don't want to bring a hand grinder like what I use, you have that option as well. Or you could just bring those little pods or bring ground beans yourself and just use those, and all you'd have to do is add water and make sure it's charged and you'd be able to make espresso absolutely anywhere. So I really, really love this little device. I think it's really useful. I think it's well made, well designed, very weatherproof, easy to recharge with USB-C, and it makes a really nice cup of espresso. So if you're in the market for something like this, definitely check this out. Links in the description below. Thank you as always for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and watching in general. Thank you for going on this gear journey with me and exploring all these awesome products and trying to figure out what works for you and what doesn't. If you have any comments on this setup, please leave them below. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.